Happy 2017, guys! I don't know about you, but I think I do. To be realistic, we all make those New Year's resolutions on 31st December. And we set our mind on achieving these goals. We do. We set our minds on achieving these realistic or not so realistic goals in the upcoming year. Like eating healthy and exercising. Yeah, we all want to eat clean and we all want to lose those extra pounds and we all do that. Agree with me. This is our number one New Year's resolution that we'll take care of our health, we'll take care of our body and we're going to look a certain way and we're going to have the perfect summer body by the time it summers. But then this happens. If I keep everything on my bedside table, of course I'm not going to miss the gym because I'll have it right there. Right? So yeah, sports bra, check. Track pant, check. T-shirt, check. Water bottle, check. Shoes, check. Pink socks, check. I am so ready. Let's do this. Stop. I'll just give it 5 minutes. It's fine. I said I'm going to be 5 minutes, okay? 5 minutes, okay? 5 minutes.
Sakshi, weren't you supposed to go on a diet?
Fine. Our second resolution. Traveling. You know what? I should travel more. Yeah, every year I think I'm going to travel. I think I'm going to just book the tickets for Kerala. I mean, I've always wanted to go to South India, you know. Like always. I should... Ow! If I stop being clumsy, then I might be able to go somewhere. But no, I'm really going to book the tickets now and I'm just not going to think about it. Because if I think about it, I'm going to delay it and I'm just going to book the tickets now. So, Kerala on 2nd February sounds nice. 2nd February. It's not like, it's going to be cold in here and it's a perfect time to go to Kerala, yeah. I'm just going to book the tickets. Okay, so the flight prices are a little high, but then I think I'll get the place for a cheaper rate. It's just going to be an even number. Let me check the place. Of course, I can't stay any lesser than a 4-star hotel. So, I mean, I need my good hotels and it's a vacation anyway. So, I'm just like really tired right now. Maybe I'll do that tomorrow. Any which ways, I'm just hoping the prices will go down or something. Anyway. Reading books and reading newspapers.
You're new me, I'm gonna go purchase some books. Going for so-called book shopping for me is just roaming around in the store. Picking out cheesiest of the books like this one, How to Make Anyone Like You, and then finally end up buying stories for my 2-year-old nephew. Typical Sakshi.
The classic saving money. Being a morning person. So, do you agree? Do you also set all of these goals for yourself? Well, I do at least. But you know what? All of these goals can be achieved if you do it with a little bit of discipline and not consider these goals as work. But make them a part of your lifestyle. Make a lifestyle change. And trust me, all of these goals can be accommodated in your real life and you'll be able to achieve them very, very easily. Just don't consider them as work. Eating clean shouldn't be as work. It should be like a part of your lifestyle. If you want to have a pastry now and again or a chocolate now and again, feel free to do so. You're not living a life on like a knife. So don't kill yourself for it. Do whatever you want. Do whatever that makes you happy. Make happiness as your number one goal for the new year. For every new year. For every single day. Because you know every second of your life is important. And as a whole, you should be grateful. And along with these, there are many other things that you should remember doing this New Year's.
Like expressing what you feel inside. Saying sorry even if it isn't your mistake. Relations are far more important. spending quality time with your family. Kiss, even if it is on the cheeks. And never ever forget to smile. With that being said, have an amazing 2017. I hope you guys have the greatest possible year. I hope all the success comes your way. I hope all the love comes your way. Don't forget to smile, be kind, be grateful, and just spread positivity and love. Remember that I love you guys and I'm always going to be here for you. I'll see you soon. Bye. Did you know you can actually subscribe by clicking this button right here? Yeah, the circle button right here on your mobile devices too, to subscribe to my channel. And also while you're here, click that bell button sign, because YouTube has made it all the more difficult for viewers to view our videos. So please just click that bell button to get notified every time that I upload a video, so that you know that I uploaded a video and you'll be able to see that. Thank you. Bye.
I was recording so creepily in the store. I'm seriously thinking the guard must be thinking I'm some kind of a thief. Things you do for YouTube, man.